In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Gmail emails into Notion. The easiest way to do this is by using a Chrome extension called Save to Notion. This lets you take a specific email message in Gmail and save it directly into a Notion database as a new page, along with key details like the subject, the sender, and the email content. First, install the Save to Notion extension from the Chrome Web Store. After it is installed, you should see its icon appear near the top right of your Chrome browser, next to the address bar. If you do not see it right away, open the Extensions menu in Chrome and pin it so it stays visible. That will make it faster to access while you are working in Gmail. Next, open Gmail in your browser and sign in to your account if needed. Go to your inbox or any label where the message is located. Then open the email you want to send into Notion. Make sure the email is fully open so the extension can capture the correct message content. It helps to wait a moment for images and long threads to load, especially if the email is part of a longer conversation. Now click the Save to Notion extension icon. A small window will appear where you can choose where the email should be saved. Select the Notion database you want to use. This could be something like an inbox database, a projects database, a CRM, or any database you use to track tasks and reference material. If your database has properties, such as tags or status, you may be able to set or adjust them here before saving, depending on how your Notion database is set up. After you confirm the database selection, save the email. The extension will create a new page in Notion. When you open Notion and navigate to that database, you will see the email added as a new entry. Typically, it will include the subject as the page title, and it will also capture information like the sender and the main email body content inside the page, so you can search it later and keep everything organized in one place. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.